Tribe, let me show you how I made these healthy protein-packed waffles using store-bought mix. So I bought this protein pancake and waffle mix from Aldi's, and you can get either 14 grams of proteins per serving, 16 grams of proteins per serving, or 19 grams of proteins per serving by adding a few simple ingredients. So for this recipe, I decided to add 1 egg. We all know that eggs are a very good, affordable source of proteins. And I also added 2/3 of a cup of water. You can add milk instead of water if you want additional proteins. So I proceeded to add 1 cup of the protein waffle mix. And after adding, you want to mix thoroughly until you get a nice consistency. If it's lumpy, it is quite okay. You don't want it too smooth actually. So I also added 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds has additional proteins and also a good source of healthy fats, omega-3 fatty acids. So I went ahead and just greased the waffle maker with a little butter and then added the mixture to my waffle pan. You can also use this recipe to make pancakes, guys. And if you want, you can add like grated carrots or grated zucchini for additional nutrients in your waffles. This is kids friendly, right? It's kids friendly, guys. If you want your kids to have something a little healthier than your regular waffles, try this. It is made with oats. It is fortified with more protein. So what that means is it's going to have more fiber, which will keep you or your kids fuller for longer. So moms, I hope you try this. When you go to the store next time, look for some of these like mixes that have additional proteins. Try them out. Add whatever ingredients that you have at home to boost the nutrients. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.